Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix sound or audio issues in Beast of Reincarnation game. So here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. First fix, steps to fix sound problem or audio problem in Beast of Reincarnation game. So open Windows settings. On the left click on system, then click on sound. Scroll down. Under advanced option click on more sound settings. Then select your default device, for example speakers, and then click on properties. Go to the spatial sound tab. From the drop down first select off option, then hit on apply, OK, and then relaunch the game and check if your sound or audio problem is fixed or not. If not, and if spatial sound is already set to off, then from the drop down select Windows Sonic for headphones, hit on apply, OK, and then again relaunch the game and check. Next solution is to make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for the audio settings within the Beast of Reincarnation game menu and ensure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure that the volume bars are set to 100%. Further, if you are using headphones, then you like to try using speakers and see if that helps or not. Fix 3. Steps to fix sound or audio problem in Beast of Reincarnation game if you are using a Bluetooth headphones. So this fix is for the Bluetooth headphones users. So right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select show Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and select more devices and printer settings. Right click your headphones and select properties. Now go to services tab and check hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Then click on apply and then check if it solves your issue or not. Fix 4. Set default sound device. Click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then check if your problem is solved or not. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix sound or audio issues in Beast of Reincarnation game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.